Hi all, welcome on Come to Code. So today we are discussing about what is Docker, what was before Docker. Actually, when developer works, the code work fine on his PC, but on tester side application is not work well. Okay, so there is debate start between developer and tester. What is the reason behind this issue? Actually, it could be a reason of library issue, version issue, dependencies issue, operating system issue, which is available on developer machine, but somehow it's not available on tester machine. So to solve this problem, we need a package application with its all dependencies. So here it can be done with the Docker. Okay, so Docker is a software platform that allow you to build, test, and deploy application very quickly using the container. And trust me, guys, it will work with minimum effort and resources. In a nutshell, Docker is the modern era solution for transferring your project to friends, family, colleagues, and clients without worrying about their system configuration. How Docker works? Actually, Docker make a package of all the application with its dependencies in a container, and this containerization Docker ensure that application work any environment. So here you can see each container run separate, container 1 running application 1 with its own library and container 2 running application 2 with its own library behind the Docker engine. So here is isolated environment. Hope you like this video.